So in this video we are going to learn why Python is able to assign different data types to a single variable. So let's get started. Markdown. Assigning different data types to a single variable. So like A is initially having a value of type int. You can also change 20 as you can do in any other language too. But in this Python you can change the data type of a variable. Like you can provide the string in it, and you will see the output of this. You will be getting a string. Now to check the type of the variable, as I have told, there is a function called type. We have to pass the variable in it, type of A, which will be string. Now if you change the type of A, you give 20.2, it will be of type float, and it will be 20, it will be type int. Now but how Python is able to do this type of assignment, like assigning different data types to a single variable? So in Java, you have to tell beforehand to a variable that which type of data it was gonna store, like type of int or data. So what is going to happen in memory? A 4-byte space we're going to assign to this variable. So when you want to try to change the data type of this variable, like you assign it like A equals to 10.11, it will not get fit in the size of 4-byte and it will show you an error. But in case of Python, A equals to 10, it does not tell that what type of data it's gonna store. It just tells there is a storage. There is a storage which is going to hold some data. It doesn't have any fixed size. So what is happening? Our variable A is firstly pointed to the address of this storage. But what is happening when you try to change the value of this A, like A equals to 20, it will not get changed in this storage as well. A new storage will be created like this. And now this A will be pointing to the address of this storage. So like when you try to change the data type, like you are assigning a string, now A will going to point to the address of this. So like this, Python is able to assign different data types to a single variable. Thanks.